Hello, I'm Francisco from Flying Screens, Spain. We are a Spanish technology company and we developed a fully flexible, ultra lightweight, ultra thin LED screen. And we are showcasing it here at ISE Amsterdam. So this is our technology. As you can see, it's a fully flexible LED screen, which you can wrap, you can install, you can put on different kinds of surfaces, special for events, for advertising, for all sorts of applications, even in architecture design. This is a very novelty technology. So we are showcasing it here in the exhibition. I will show you here. This is a fully rollable, ultra thin, ultra light. A real innovation here at the exhibition, and I hope you all like it. If you need more information, we are at flyingscreens.tv. Thanks a lot.